Our next dish on Haskell's Cook and Dine is a classic farmhouse terrine. It's one of the dishes we have on in James Street all the time. It always comes back and forward. It's one of those classic dishes, and it's one of the things I love is a good terrine. And there's nothing better than a beautiful farmhouse terrine. And you've got your pork mince and nutmeg and your onion and your garlic. And there's just so many different ingredients in there, but it's absolutely delicious. And we've got a little bit of a pickled veg, which I think goes really well with a farmhouse terrine. You've got a little bit of courgette there, spring onion, red onion, and it's just been gently pickled down. So we'll try to do that probably about a week in advance before we start serving. Classic sourdough, and then just a lovely apricot puree. And something like this here is unbelievably simple, but very, very easy to set up and to serve in the house. And it's just absolutely beautiful. And that's why we put it on this Eat and Dine menu. So very, very simply, we've just toasted our sourdough. It's ready to go, sliced and all. And all you do is just toast it in the house with a terrine, which we'll be slicing down. We just put the terrine on the plate like so, very simply. You've got your bread on the side if you wish, or you can put it on the plate, it's down to yourself really. You've got your pickle, which has just been gently pickled, and we're just going to serve this on the side like so. A couple of cornichons there as well, beautifully. Very, very simple. And to me it's one of those things, just the acidity, it's very moist, it's just one of those beautiful things I love. And there's that like that there. And then all we're going to do is get the apricot puree, and that goes on the plate like so. Very simply done. And it just shows you how simple this is. And the key thing about all Haskell's Cook and Dine is simplicity of it. Everything's got a recipe, everything's got a timesheet. So it's like A, B, C, D. It is so simple. We've been doing it this long now. We've had no complaints about it. And it is one of the simplest things in the world to do. But to me, it makes you look good in the kitchen. Take care. Thank you.